we're going to start off with color changing lemonade. So this is super fun if you're going to have a party. You do need to have this butterfly pea flower tea. I bought it on Amazon, but you can actually get it at Walmart. And you can either get it as a loose tea and put it in you can steep it, or I got the tea bags just for convenience. So I've got 3 cups of hot water here, and I'm going to add 5 of the tea bags to it. And it's actually going to turn blue as it steeps. You want to let it steep for a while, about 20 minutes. And as you see, as I'm like tapping these tea bags in here, the water's turning blue. It's a really pretty shade of like teal right now. This liquid, I would recommend getting some kind of dark ice cube tray just in case it stains. I happen to have blue handy. So that's what I would recommend. So about 20 or 30 minutes, let it steep, and then just throw the tea bags away. And then you'll want to pour the liquid into the ice cube trays. I filled about 4 ice cube trays, put them in the freezer, and voila, here's what we get. Pretty blue ice cubes. So I got 2 kinds of lemonade. One is this regular lemonade. One is this pink lemonade. This is a science experiment. Super duper fun. We're going to actually add a couple of ice cubes into the bag here and take our aggression out on the bag with our mallet. You know, if you're frustrated with construction and traffic, you have a bad day at work, this is my solution. So that's what he says, to add the ice into a food processor or blender. I found doing that pulverized the ice cream, and I just want to have like different sizes chunks of ice. All right, we're gonna add our blue ice cubes into here, and as these ice cubes start to melt, they're actually going to change the color of our lemonade into like purple, fun colors of magenta. Obviously the one that's yellow is going to have more pronounced color change. I'm starting to see, let's see if we can get there we go. I'm starting to see a little bit of purple. Can you see the little purple tinge? I know it's a little harder to see that way. Oh yeah, you can kind of see the purple starting on top. If you wanted to let your liquid cool a little bit, I know this is kind of hot. I would wait till this cools off, but you could actually pour some in there, and now you get a much more pronounced purple color. Super pretty. We eat with our eyes, right? So that is just gorgeous. And then a little lemon wedge for this decor.